sexualizing yourself is when you objectify yourself, right? Like when you highlight certain body parts, you know, you flaunt your
tatas.
Yeah, and your ass, and your assets.
Assets.
Let's call it that. My legs, kilikili.
Okay. Whoa. Okay.
Mga ganyan. So talagang finlaunt ko yan for the world to see. That happened.
Yeah.
And it was again, me putting my worth on my sexuality too.
Right.
Parang more than the fitness, parang BS lang yung fitness eh. Parang
lang yun, facade lang yun.
Facade lang yun, honestly.
Right. I mean, I remember watching some influencers na magpapashoot ng nagle-legs na ganun-ganun.
For the glutes yan eh, na workout.
Tapos ipapashoot niya from the...
Or alam mo naman na nakafocus sa puwet.
Or talagang parang medyo, crotch shot talaga.
Very male gaze.
Yeah. So parang...
So I did that too.
You did that too.
I mean, it's still there on my Instagram, I think.
Okay, so na-enjoy mo na, nagka-jowa ka.
Mga donkey kicks na nakafocus sa puwet. Yan yung mga content ko. No? Mga planks na nasa may boobs. Yan. I mean, come on. I knew what I was doing.
So, nagka-jowa ka. Ay, fast-forward na natin to.
Fast forward.
Dami na nangyari.
So, nagka-boyfriend ako. And my boyfriend naman, that time, what made me like him was, we would just talk about fitness and the carnivore diet.
Lifestyle. Parang
Never
aligned.
siyang nag-comment na ang hot mo. Yung mga ganyan, yung very fuckboy comments.
So, sino yung gumawa ng first move?
What do you mean? Hindi naman yan yung point ng podcast na to.
Bakit ayaw mo sabihin? Kasi sabi mo,
Siya! Nagalit. Nag-away.
Okay, so, given na nga, nagka-boyfriend ka and all, and then, when did you start gaining the weight back?
When I moved to Boracay.
Grabe ka naman makaturo.
Doon nag-start. When I moved to Boracay, siya po ang may salarin.
Hindi. Siya po ang may salarin. Siya ang salarin.
Siya po ang may sala.
Yan, period. Roll eyes. Hindi you were so fit and you were like drinking gin and working out in the daytime.
Yeah.
Because my chef would tell me, Ma'am, si Ma'am Stacy po.
Sumbongero ka, chef.
Nagpabili na naman ng gin.
Hindi naman doon nag-start talaga yung weight
Oo
gain.
nga eh.
Pero the cheat started there. Here and there. Kasi ang sarap ng calamansi muffins sa Boracay.
Oh yeah.
Can't resist.
Yeah.
You know?
And the pizza.
So yung totoong weight gain nangyari, nung lumipat ka na ulit sa bahay, at yung trabaho mo ay mag-PR ng mga kung ano-anong pagkain.
Dude,
at ako yung lagi mong +1. At pupunta ka sa mga resort, tapos full board, kahit anong orderin. At ako yung +1 mo.
Ba't parang kasalanan ko pa?
Kasalanan mo lahat.